How to upload video on YouTube. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to upload a video on YouTube. It's actually very easy, but I know there is people that they still don't know how to upload videos to YouTube. So all what you have to do is, after of course to log into your account, now click on this icon right here in the top and click upload video. As you can see, it will take you to this page. Now right here, click on this one or this blue option and select the file from your desktop and upload it easy. And there is another method, is that you go to your dashboard on YouTube and go to the top here, on here, click upload, or you can just click from here. It's actually very easy guys, just click upload and your video will be uploaded. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.